on YouTube, Brandon Lachuga here. Thought I'd make a quick video on how to put lights in your Teryx. So here's the power source, it's right there. Let me kind of show you. Sorry about that. Key's not. Okay, so there's the lights. I got one right there, one right here. I got one back there and one over there. So I'm just showing you, and I have all the wires run throughout here. If you want to see how to take the center console off, check out one of my other videos. But here's my light. So I want to run through how to quickly prep all this. So what you're going to do is take a piece of tissue paper or something. Where did I put it? Ah, there it is. Take your rubbing alcohol. Get a clean rag or something. Clean the surface really thoroughly. Wipe it down to dry. Try to dry it off. There we go. Nice clean surface. Oh, sorry about that. So we have a clean surface. Now what you'll do is you'll take your light, peel off the stick. Sorry about that. So I'm going to peel off the stickiness. Figure out where you want to place it. I'm going to go like right about here. Maybe a little bit higher, just because my dad wants to be able to see the gear shifter at night. So there you go. Now it's attached. I'm going to hide the rest of the wire up in here. Probably have to get my flathead out. But yeah, so that's how you stick it, the adhesive and everything, and just make sure you have a nice clean surface. And then, yeah, there you go. And then you'll do that on all the spots that you're gonna place your light. So then I'll just like pull this back, like you see, like that. When I have two hands, I'll tuck the wire back in there. But yeah, so that's how you put on neon lights in your UTV. I just did it because my dad likes to be able to see what he's doing. So yeah, and I'm gonna do this one right there, so I'm gonna clean that up a little bit more and then stick it. But yeah, check out my video if you want to see how to install the lights by taking out the center console to hide your wiring. I hope you found this video helpful, and yeah, thank you.